Good morning, everyone. So welcome to the channel Maths Subgroup. So today we are going to see 7th lecture on commutative subgroup. So we will show in this lecture that the commutator subgroup of the group G is a characteristic subgroup. Okay. So what is the result? We are calling this theorem. If G dash is the commutator subgroup of a group G, then G dash is a characteristic subgroup of G. Okay. So proof. Okay. So let phi be an isomorphism of G. Now, then phi u. What is phi u? Phi u is nothing but phi A B A inverse B inverse. A B belongs to G. And what is this? This is phi A phi B inverse. Sorry, phi A phi B. Phi A phi B phi A inverse phi B inverse such that AB belongs to B. Okay. But phi is 1, 1 and on to. And on to. We get, because phi is 1, so phi inverse G is G. Okay. Okay. Therefore, for each A, B belongs to G, there exists unique A dash, B dash belongs to G, such that A is equal to phi inverse A dash and B is equal to phi inverse B dash. Okay. Therefore, phi u is equal to phi inverse A dash phi inverse B dash phi inverse A dash inverse phi inverse B dash. So I'm writing this part below because it is not coming here. Into phi phi inverse B dash, okay, such that A dash B dash belongs to G. So this is equal to A dash B dash A dash inverse B dash inverse such that A dash B dash belongs to G. So simply what is this? What is this? This is nothing but A B A inverse B inverse such that A B belongs to G. Okay. It means it is U. So this implies phi U is actually U. Okay. 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 But but U is contained in G dash. So this implies phi U contained in G dash. Since G dash is generated by U and phi is homomorphism because it is a isomorphism. This we get by property of homomorphism. Phi G dash will contain to G dash. Okay. So we have phi G dash contained in G dash for, okay, for any isomorphism phi of G. Okay. Phi is isomorphism implies phi inverse is also isomorphism. Therefore, phi inverse G dash will contain to G dash because to take any automorphism, it takes G dash to G dash. It means G dash will be, image of G dash will be contained in G dash. So phi inverse is also automorphic. So its inverse of G dash under phi inverse will contain G dash. Okay. So this, what is the meaning of this? This is that G dash is contained in phi G. Okay. Okay. So let's say it 1. Let's say it 1. And let's say it 2. From 1 and 2. we have 5G dash contained in G dash, and from 2 we have 5G dash containing 5G. So what is the meaning of this? This means that 5G dash equal to G dash for any isomorphic phi of G. Okay. So therefore, this implies G dash is this implies G dash is characteristic subgroup of C. Characteristic of C. So this is proved now. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any program related to this, you can comment on my YouTube. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much.